Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your YouTube app. And we'll just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window like you say, and we will go down, we will click here on apps, then we come to apps window, and we will just go down here to looking for YouTube app here, and this is window, and we will just we found the YouTube. We will click here on YouTube, then we come to next window here like you say, and we will click here on for stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will just click here on storage, then we come to storage window, we will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all YouTube settings.